started learning Welsh when I became an LSA many years ago through Geriau Bach with a group of LSAs, and we had great fun. And then when I came to St Francis, I went on sabbatical in order to support the new Welsh scheme of work that was coming into school that same year. And I supported the Welsh coordinator with that, using incidental Welsh throughout the school day from nursery up to year 6. I particularly like nursery because I love singing, so I enjoy singing all the nursery songs and using the simple language. However, as the Welsh developed and the year 6s became much more adept at Welsh, I felt that my language skills weren't keeping up. So I decided to do an evening course at college, and I was able then to at least feel I was supporting the year 6s with better vocabulary and better language skills. So I support Welsh from nursery through to year 6 and have been doing so for a number of years, and have been in a great position to see how the children progress as they move through the school and develop their language. I particularly enjoy seeing the children become more confident and using their Welsh skills across the curriculum and how it impacts on so many aspects of their life. I love to see the children's personalities develop. Children that I might not have expected to be so confident and to be so forthcoming and share what they've learned and be incredibly happy at doing that as well.
Shwmae, I'm here to tell you why you should vote for Mrs Baker as your winner of Shwmae Awards 2019. Here are the 3 main reasons why she should win. Hoffwn fod 1 million. Mrs Baker always helps me achieve that target by having Welsh conversations with me, but that also gives me a boost of confidence, which then gives me more confidence to speak around my community. In Ramsey class, we use really challenging vocabulary, which means if we struggle, then when we ask Mrs Baker for help, she's always ready on hand and helps us with her amazing dictionary skills. Bob Loyven, Mrs Baker supports us on Cymraeg days. She is always full of enthusiasm when it comes to different challenges.
I feel I play an integral role in supporting the pupils as they develop through various activities that they go on, such as in my Million conference, where they are introduced to a number of activities. We go away, we discuss them, we develop a plan, we work on that plan, and then we go back and we show how we've progressed, and we discuss what we've done in front of other schools, and we show other schools how we've progressed, and they share what they do with us as well, which is also very helpful.
Mrs Baker really deserves this award for the following reasons. Cryf un. If I want to practice my Welsh around the school, Mrs Baker is always ready and willing. Cryf dau. We celebrate Shwmae Day every year, and Miss Baker always helps us organise it, and she really lets our voice be heard. Cryf tri. Mrs Baker helps with all languages around the school, and every day greets me with a friendly Shwmae.
I think learning should be fun. I think it's good for the children to see an older person actively enjoying learning as much as they do.
From me Cymraeg and all the pupils in St Francis, diolch Mrs Baker.